Hello, can
Okay,
you
sir.
hear me?
Continue. Everybody is
Okay,
there. You can start.
okay, okay, sir. Today we are going to discuss about the topic called firefighting. Are you able to see the PowerPoint presentation?
Yes, it is available.
Okay, okay, thank you. Our topic is firefighting today. Actually, in railways, this disaster management is very one of the important topic. Among this, firefighting is also one of the basic important topic. Few years back, when
We
incident
make the
happened in
PowerPoint full screen, sir.
full screen. Okay, 1 minute, please. Okay.
Voice kodi low on, sir. Kodi improve your voice.
1 minute. Is it audible now? Is it
Little
audible?
bit high.
Hi, okay, 1 minute. It's full voice here.
No. That is your receive, but your voice, you speaking. While
I'm
speaking,
speaking.
please
I'm
speak little
speaking.
bit loud.
Okay, okay, okay then. Okay, one incident happened in Itarsi in 2015. How many of you remember? I don't know. That incident was the fire accident in the Itarsi root rail interlocking cabin system. Here, that incident, a negligence of 12 rupees by the SM, it cost 1200 crores lost to the Indian Railways. 34 days, trains have been stopped from north to south and east to west. As you know, the Nagpur and Itarsi is the center point of our Indian railway system. Because of this incident, then the railway minister was Suresh Prabhu. He came and sat there, and all DSTs and senior DSTs from all over the zones have called for repairing the
Actually,
Tara.
sir, people want both Hindi English mixed, and your voice is little bit low. Please, thoda zyada.
Shall I replace this audio? 1 minute. I'll replace this audio. This is somewhat problematic.
Headset is, I think, some low voice it is.
Low voice. Low voice. I will replace the headset. Please bear with me. I will
थोड़ा
replace
हिंदी
headset.
हिंदी also use कीजिए.
Okay, no, yes, sir. Now it is audible, sir.
Okay, please carry on.
Yes, sir.
This one. No, is this audible, sir? Hello. Is it audible, sir?
Yes, it's okay. Please carry on.
Okay, now. डेफिनेशन ऑफ फायर इन टाइप्स ऑफ फायर. आग मतलब क्या है, इसका कैसे तरीका होता है, आग को कैसे बुझाना है, ये सब हम जानकारी करेंगे. इसके और अग्निशामक यंत्र क्या है, how to use the fire extinguishers and what are the types of extinguishers. We'll discuss that. First of all, we discuss the definition of fire. आग मतलब क्या है? Hello, this PowerPoint. Okay, definition.
Currently ETRC वाला जो इंसिडेंट आप बता रहे थे उसको थोड़ा एंड कर दिए, कंप्लीट कीजिए.
ओके, इटारसी में कुछ नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन 34 डेज में क्या हुआ है? फायर एक्सीडेंट में 34 डेज, आई एम सेइंग दैट द नेग्लिजेंसी ऑफ द मैन, दैट इज ह्यूमन एरर, दैट हैपेंड इज ह्यूमन एरर. Negligence of SM at 12 rupees because he failed to replace the batteries in the smoke detector. Due to that, early morning fire accident has happened. Because of that, our whole RRA was burnt, and the loss for the railways is 1,200 crores rupees. 34 days train have been stopped, and huge loss to the railway income. Because I'm saying that how much the fire accidents caused loss to the railways, that I'm saying. The main thing is
नहीं सर, समझ नहीं आप क्या बता रहे, मतलब किसकी गलती, किसकी थी?
SM का.
SM ने?
हाँ, SM ने actually quarterly maintenance करना है. Every quarter you have to check the batteries, you have to check the smoke detectors. ये गलती किया है. He did not check the batteries, he did not check the smoke detector. Then if there is small amount of smoke also, the smoke detector will detect and alarm will ring. Because the batteries was not replaced at the proper time, alarm was not rang, and there is a big fire accident there. Okay, we'll start with the definition of fire. What is fire and how many types of fire are there with the? Here first, the definition of fire is nothing but a chemical chain reaction. It is a chemical chain reaction which takes place with the evolution of heat and light. It is a chemical chain reaction which takes place with the evolution of heat and light. आग मतलब only दो चीजों का आउटपुट होता है, एक हीट है, दूसरा लाइट है. But what are the inputs? Basically, fire has three inputs. आग के लिए three inputs है. एक fuel, second oxygen, third heat. ईंधन, oxygen और उष्ण. Without these three, fire cannot be produced. These are the basic elements. These are the basic elements for the production of the fire. Without these three, fire cannot be produced. We will see one by one. Fuel can be classified into three types: solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. Some examples of solid fuel are coal, wood, paper, cloth, etc. They're solid fuel examples. For coming to liquid, gasoline, kerosene, turpentine, alcohol, paints, and varnishes, these are all liquid fuels. In coming to gaseous fuels, natural gas like LPG, CNG, propane, CO, these are comes under the gaseous fuels. Any type of fuel, it should have some burning point. Then only the fuel can be caught into fire. Coming to oxygen source. Oxygen source, atmosphere mein, as we all know, there is 21% of oxygen in the atmosphere. But to produce a fire, minimum 16% of oxygen is required. Below 16%, fire cannot be produced. This is the minimum level. 16% के नीचे आग नहीं जल सकता, क्योंकि it is the minimum basic level है. 16% चाहिए ऑक्सीजन का. Coming to heat. Heat कैसे उत्पन्न होता है? How heat is produced? Heat is produced by several sources like friction, like sun's energy, chemical actions, electrical energy, and gas compressions, etc. But to produce a fire, the minimum temperature is required. That temperature is called the ignition temperature. Ignition temperature matlab the minimum temperature required to produce a fire is called the ignition temperature. Without this, fire cannot be produced. Okay, these are the basic sources of fire. What are they? Fuel, oxygen, heat. Coming to next issue, one issue happened on the August 6, 1945, during the Second World War time. USA dropped a bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Hiroshima and Nagasaki on August 6, 1945. How many of you know that what is the bomb name? Anybody can say that what is the bomb name that was dropped on Hiroshima?
Little boy.
Little boy. On the August 9th, one more was dropped on Nagasaki. That bomb name was Fat Man. Fat Man. Here, the main, what do you call, this is the bombing. The main ingredient in this bombing is the uranium. The uranium. Can you imagine on the spot on Hiroshima, 1,66,000 people died on the spot. On Nagasaki, more than 80,000 people died on the spot in Nagasaki. But only one man was escaped from these two bombings. Only one man was escaped. As per the official records of Japan government, only one man was escaped. He was felicitated with the survival of the two bombers. His name was Tsutomu Yamaguchi. Why I'm saying this is that in these bombings, we have used the one radioactive material called uranium. In this uranium, when hit by a neutron, it transforms into 3. Again, that neutron hits that 3 transforms uranium atom. It again 3 goes on happening. It is called chain reaction. It is called chain reaction. That chain reaction is also one of the ingredients for the fire now. Apart from the fuel, oxygen, and heat, chain reaction is also one of the ingredients of the fire. This is the chain reaction. Now there are 4 elements of fire. These are 4 elements of fire. एक fuel है, दूसरा oxygen है, तीसरा heat है, चौथा chain reaction है. Now without these 4, fire can be produced. आग जलाने के लिए ये 4 जरूरत है. So these 4 fire can be produced. Now we'll see. आपको मालूम हो गया fire कैसे उत्पन्न होता है. Now how to put out the
Excuse
fire?
me, sir.
बोलिए बोलिए.
Sir, you told one man survived. How could he have been survived? तो कैसे बच गए थे?
Actually, he was the Mitsubishi engineer at that time. He came to Hiroshima just before bombing. Bunkers मालूम है आपको bunkers? Bunkers के नीचे इस time
Yes, sir.
he was luckily near the bunker and building was collapsed, and luckily he was escaped with the radiation in the body, but without any harmful to his life. Again same in Nagasaki, went for on duty on 3 days बाद में hospital में treatment के लिए गया. वो hospital भी collapse हो गया, लेकिन he was survived. Just beneath the debris मालूम है? वो कच्चा मलावा के नीचे वो सर्वे करे. Lucky, Japan government identified him survival of the 2 bombers बोल के. अभी last decade he died. आपको नेट में सर्च करते बाज में. My main point is the material used in that bombing is uranium. That uranium has the property of explosion with the chain reaction. That chain reaction is one of the element of the fire. Now we call it as a fire tetrahedron. Tetra मतलब इधर 4. अब 4 क्या है? Fuel है एक, दूसरा oxygen है, तीसरा heat है, चौथा chain reaction. Now there are 4 elements of fire. Now next we will see the how to put out the fire. अब आग को कैसे बुझा सकते हैं? This is called the starvation. Principles of fire extinction बोलता है. Principles of fire extinction. Extinction मतलब बुझाना कैसे है? आग को कैसे बुझा सकते हैं? Fire can be put out by using 4 principles. The first principle is called the starvation principle. Starvation मतलब भूख मरना. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? भूख मरना. Simply removal of unwanted material from fire area is called starvation. Simply remove the material from the fire area. That is simply remove the fuel. It is called starvation. कैसे है? आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं आप लोग. एक grass है, एक firefighters are removing that grass from this fire area. Automatically fire can be put out. This process is called the starvation. This is the first principle. And second one is called the smothering. Smothering means cutting off the supply of oxygen from fire area. How we can cut the supply of oxygen? As we know, oxygen is not a material. We cannot cut with scissors or nothing with blades. We can cut the oxygen by this method called smothering. आपको एक picture देखा रहेगा इधर. There is a kitchen fire. Kitchen में कुछ by using loose quality oil, there is some fire in the kitchen. If there is a proper lid available, you can put the lid on the utensil. If lid is not available, then take one cloth, dip it in water, squeeze it, and put on the fire. Automatically, we can cut off the supply of oxygen to the fire area. Fire can be put off. This method is called the smothering. The other name of smothering is blanketing. Smothering का दूसरा नाम है blanketing. You can, but remember that you must put the cloth first in water, then squeeze it thoroughly. Without squeezing, don't put the cloth on the utensil because a small drop of water in your oil can increase the fire. Squeeze it properly and put on the utensil. This is called the smothering. And third method is called the cooling. Cooling मतलब क्या है? Removal of heat from the burning material or fire area. Simply remove the heat. Heat कैसे? Why can we remove the heat? Heat is not a material. Heat is a form of energy. How can we remove the heat? Simply pour the water. Best source of cooling is पानी है. पानी डालना इसमें. Simply pour the water on the fire area. You can remove the heat. This is the third principle of fire extinction. And fourth one, breaking of chain reaction. Breaking of chain reaction. How we can break the chain reaction? It is a chemical process. We'll discuss in later how we can break the chain reaction by using a fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers. We'll discuss later. These are the four principles. What are the four principles? First one, starvation. That is simply removal of fuel. Second one, smothering or blanketing. Simply cutting the supply of oxygen. Third one, cooling. Simply removal of heat. And fourth one, breaking of chain reaction. These four principles are called principles of fire extinction. Okay, next we'll see the modes of spread of fire. How fire spreads. Fire spreads basically in three ways. One, conduction. Two, convection. Three, radiation. Conduction matlab, it happens only, we'll see one by one. Conduction is heat transfer within solids or between contacting solids. Metallic objects में conduction happen होता है. Not all solids, but only as metallic objects. See, for example, if you see this picture, see one end of the iron rod is heated, the other end gets hot after some time. Because of conduction, the point-to-point transmission takes place of heat energy, and automatically after some time, the other end gets hot. This is one mode of transport. This is called conduction.
Voice problem, sir.
सुनना है पता? Hello.
हो जाता है सर. Now it is clear, but अभी ठीक है सर, लेकिन बीच में कम हो गया था.
Okay, no problem.
वॉइस बहुत कम आ रहा था सर.
The system का problem है. I replaced the headphones also. I will speak loudly. Convection मतलब heat transfer by the movement of liquids or gases. Heat transfer by the movement of liquids or gases. For example, you put your hand in a naked flame at certain distance. Even after we are not having the direct contact with the flame, your hand gets hot after some time because the surrounding air gets heated and your hand gets hot after some time. This is the convection, not only in air, but also in liquids also. For example, you put your hand in a boiling water. Which part of the water will be hot? Top part or bottom part generally? Any idea? You put your hand in bottom part, top. Why?
हल्का पे नीचे आता है सर, पानी वाटर नीचे से ऊपर आता है.
Right. Because of this convection currents, the bottom heat energy transfers to the top and the density of water decreases and automatically water will get hot. This is the convection. Coming to radiation. Radiation is nothing but here no medium is required. No solid, no liquid, no gas. Only transfer of heat by electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves कहाँ रहता है generally? Where are electromagnetic waves? Electromagnetic waves are surrounding us. आपको मालूम है और सेल फोन सिग्नल्स कैसे आता, टीवी सिग्नल्स कैसे आता? Because of electromagnetic waves. और एटमॉस्फेयर में बेसिकली देयर आर थ्री लेयर्स, आपको मालूम है सबको. ट्रोपोस्फेयर, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर, ionosphere. Electromagnetic waves emit in the mainly concentrated in the ionosphere area because of radio signals, TV signals. These are come from the ionosphere area in the atmosphere. You know, our cell phones can cause fire. Cell phones can cause fire. This is a symbol of radiation. You can watch this video how our cell phone can cause fire. This video is not playing. Of course, this is the video in the Pune petrol bunk. Happened in the Pune petrol bunk. This video is not playing in this WebEx. No problem. Okay, I will show you lastly. Okay, now we will come into the next topic called classification of fire. अभी तक हम आग कैसे हैं, how many, what are the elements of fire, and how to put out the fire, how fire spreads. ये तीनों चीजें देख ली आपने. Elements of fire मतलब fuel, oxygen, heat, and chain reaction. आग को कैसे बुझाता है? How to put out the fire? Simply remove any one of these elements. For example, you remove the fuel, it is called starvation. If you remove the oxygen, it is called smothering. If you remove the heat, it is called cooling. If you break the chain reaction, it is called breaking of chain reaction. These are the four principles of fire extinction. Modes of spread of fire means conduction, convection, and radiation. Now coming to classification of fire. Fire can be classified into basically four types. First one is called the class A. Class A matlab fire involving solid combustible materials of organic nature such as wood, paper, rubber, plastic, cloth. This is called the class A. Simply not all solids comes under class A. Only burning solids. That is, that solids can have combustible property. Combustible property means मतलब those burns and makes into ash. Those burns and makes into ash. This comes under class A. Here आपको picture दिखा रहा है ना, wood, paper, rubber, plastic and cloth. These are the examples of class A. Coming to class B, fire involving inflammable liquids. Inflammable liquids मतलब क्या है? The word inflammable means क्या है? Inflammable means any idea? Inflammable or flammable. There are words called two words. Flammable word है.
अत्यंत ज्वलनशील
अत्यंत ज्वलनशील, right है. But we'll see this word in backside of the petrol tankers. Highly inflammable. Inflammable requires no external source to burn, but flammable materials require some external source. Okay, this inflammable मतलब है पेट्रोल टैंक के पीछे हमको पता highly inflammable लिखता है. Because without any external intervention, they can cause fire. These are the inflammable liquids. For example, oil है, motor spirit है, acids है, and some types of paints. कुछ तरह के paints भी comes under class B. Class B. Now coming to class C. Class C nothing but fire involving inflammable gases. Inflammable gases such like LPG, CNG, methane, acetylene. These are the inflammable gases. This comes under simply आपको मालूम है gaseous fires comes under class C. Not only gaseous fires but also fire which includes the energized electrical equipment. मतलब electrical बिजली का fire भी class C में आता है. Simply gaseous fires and electrical fires comes under class C. Now coming to next one, class D. Fire involving combustible metals. Not all metals will cause fire, but some metals are there like magnesium, zinc, sodium, aluminum, potassium. These are the combustible metals. These burns when there is a friction or there is an external source of fire in them. These comes under simply metallic fires comes under the class D. But here some exception is there. Not only metallic fires, but some metals cause fire when exposed to water or moist air. कुछ मेटल में पानी डालना नहीं तो बाहर विंटर में बाहर लेकर भी जल सकता है. Some metals cause fire. Can you name the metal names? कुछ metals हैं उस मेटल में पानी डाले तो और आग ज्यादा होता है. जनरली पानी डाले तो आग बुझाना है, लेकिन इधर क्या है पानी डाले तो आग ज्यादा होता है. उस मेटल का नाम कुछ पता है आपको जनरली? Anybody? Okay. I will say the metal name.
Sodium.
Yes. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, francium, etc. There are some metals. I'll show the video at last because this video is not playing this PowerPoint. I will show this videos at last, please. Okay, please bear with me. Next, we'll come into the topic called fire extinguishers. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? अग्निशामन यंत्र. Fire extinguishers को अग्निशामन यंत्र. There are several types of extinguishers used to put out the fire. We must know how to use the extinguishers. What are the types? What are the do's and don'ts of extinguishers? What are the hazards while using extinguishers? How safety must take while using extinguishers? We'll see that. Okay. First, they are simply called as the first aid firefighting equipment. One of the most common fire protection appliances, generally used in every office and every workshop, etc. But generally we call it as first aid firefighting equipment because as before fire brigade comes, we use these extinguishers. As in the first aid, before doctor comes, we use some measures to the casualties or patients to save their lives. As same thing, before fire brigade or fire engine comes, we use this fire extinguishers as the first aid firefighting equipment. These are very small in nature and they comes in a not even a minute. Not even a minute. One extinguisher comes not in a minute. Small extinguishers. I'll say that in future. Now, before going that, we'll see the stages of fire. Generally, there are 4 stages of fire. Coming to x-axis में time, y-axis में temperature में दिखाए तो fire को 4 stages बता सकता है. First stage है ignition stage, that is starting stage. Second stage है growth stage, that is slowly fire grows and whole fuel burns and comes into fully developed stage. Fully developed, that is third stage. And here big flame will come. बड़ा flame आता है इसमें fully developed में. और flame आने के बाद क्या होता है बाद में पूरा जल जाने के बाद only the coals, that is the decay will be remain. That is only smoke will come out. There are the 4 stages: ignition, growth, fully developed, and decay stage. But fire extinguishers can be used only at ignition stage and growth stage only, not at fully developed and decay stage, because This extinguisher comes only a few seconds, not even a minute, few seconds. In this few seconds of time, you have to put out the fire precisely, operating correctly. This is our target and our goal. Now, we'll go into the next, this is not required. Next types of extinguishers, we'll go into the types of fire extinguishers. There are basically 5+2 types of extinguishers. 5+2. Why I'm calling 5+2? Because 5 are fully developed and approved by the concerned authorities, and 2 are under development stage, under experimental stage. They are still under experimental stage. So we call it 5+2. Total 7 types. First one is called the water type. Water type. पानी का है. दूसरा foam, mechanical foam type. तीसरा powder type. Again, this powder type is subclassified into DCP and special DP. DCP मतलब dry chemical powder. Dry chemical powder. Special DP मतलब special dry powder. दोनों में फर्क क्या है कि पहला में chemical है, दूसरा में chemical नहीं है. First one there is a chemical DCP में. In second one there is no chemical. And fourth one is called the CO2 type, that is carbon dioxide type. And fifth one, clean agent type. Clean agent type. Along with these 5, there are modular extinguishers and fire extinguishing ball or other types. Total 7 types. Have you observed some colors for each type? Have you observed here? For water type there is a red color, foam type there is a yellow color, powder type there is a blue color, and for CO2 type there is a black color. And for clean agent type it is a green color. These colors have some significance in extinguishers. We'll discuss what are the significance of these colors. We'll discuss. We'll go one by one. Consider briefly, I will say that. I will not say elaborately. Briefly, I will say. First one is called the water type. Why water is used? Why water is used? Because water is the best cooling agent. Water is inexpensive, harmless, and easy to clean up and easy to use also. And water having high heat capacity. मतलब latent heat ज़्यादा है water को. आपको मालूम है water can expand 1700 times before forming into steam. Because of this property, water is used. Water absorbs all the heat and expands. And water also dilutes the surrounding oxygen and puts out the fire. Because of this better quality, best qualities of this water, we use water as one of the extinguishing agent. And water has a quenching. Quenching matlab water does not allow to fire to increase, because during the firefighting process, the fire engines or fire brigade will pour the water in surrounding areas also, because by chance if there is any evolution of fire, the surrounding areas will not cooperate with this, and water has a quenching property. Quenching बोलते हैं इसको. Quenching property, and fire will not increase. Because of this, water is used. Next, foam. How foam is used? Foam मतलब क्या है? Foam मतलब nothing but here we can make foam by using a chemical process. We mix the two chemicals.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
excuse me.
Yes, please.
Your voice is very low, sir.
Is it audible now? Is it audible?
Voice not getting clear.
A problem with the system here. I have replaced the one. Now is it audible? I am saying very loudly also. Is it audible?
No problem, but your mic poor response.
Mic has some problem, it seems. I have replaced two mics now. Now I have replaced two mics. Some problem. Please increase your volume there, please. I'm saying loudly only, very loudly. I'm saying closing the doors. I'm saying very loudly. As I am saying in the class. As I'm saying in the class, I'm saying like this only.
Now it is okay.
Sir,
Okay, please.
initially it is okay. Initially okay, but after some time it decreases. Sound less, your voice level.
Okay. I will wait means something problem here. I'm saying loudly only. I'm keeping this mic with not in my collar. I'm keeping it in the hand and near the mouth, and I'm speaking very loudly also. Okay, please increase your volume there in your concerned systems or mobiles. Please bear with me. Okay, next we will discuss the foam type extinguishers. Now is it audible? Is it okay? Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Foam type matlab is nothing but some chemicals, mixture of some chemicals used here. Aluminum sulfate plus sodium bicarbonate. Aluminum sulfate plus sodium bicarbonate are the two chemicals used to make the foam here. क्यों foam क्यों use करता है? foam prevents oxygen from reaching the fuel. So fire can be put out. The method, as you know, as I said earlier, smoothing method. Smoothing method malum cutting the supply of oxygen. This method is used in the foam type. As the foam has three properties. Foam contains water, and this water absorbs the heat, and because of the smoothing and cooling of the fuel, it removes the heat. And foam forms as a blanket on the fuel. Especially foam is used for the liquid fires, for any oils, for any liquid fires like this. Foams, a floating blanket on the liquid surface, prevents the contact of the oxygen, atmospheric oxygen with the fuel, and cuts the supply of oxygen to the fuel and puts out the fire. And foam has another property called bubbles formation. Foam forms bubbles. It avoids the formation of combustible mixture with vapor and air and prevents the contact with the air and puts out the fire. Simply foam just avoids the oxygen contact with the fuel and puts out the fire. Because of this, foam is best suitable for the liquid fires. Okay. Next one, have you observed here two types of extinguishers? One is the water type, second one is the foam type. These are the gas cartridge type extinguisher. This gas cartridge matlab single use. We can only use one time. If there is a small fire or big fire, if you operate it, we can use only once, because it is a single purpose use. Okay, inside it contains a gas cartridge. We'll see the details. But here, see the difference here. Water type or foam type. फर्क क्या है? दोनों का फर्क क्या है? Water type is full red color. Foam type has a small strip. देख लीजिए इधर. This is a small strip. This is the foam type. We can easily identify with the yellow strip. Yellow strip हमारी तो foam type बोल के हम easily पता सकता है. This is the foam type extinguishers. This is a gas cartridge मतलब this is a single use. Gas cartridge मतलब single use. There's one more is the multi use, that is the stored pressure. We'll discuss later that. Stored pressure. That is the multi-purpose use. You can use any number of times until the fuel is there inside the cylinder. But here this gas cartridge is the only once we can use. Okay. Next, if you see the inside parts, there are only two parts. Inside there are only two parts. One is the siphon tube. This is the gas cartridge. This white wala is the gas cartridge. This long tube is the siphon tube.
वॉइस नहीं आ रही सर, वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
Shall I replace another one? Can you bear with me? Wait, I'll replace.
ये आ रही है भाई.
Okay, is it okay?
You continue.
Okay, is it okay? Please increase your voice, increase
sir,
your sound in
continue.
the system, please. Okay, this is the siphon tube. Long one is the siphon tube, and the short one is the gas cartridge. Siphon tube मतलब extinguisher works on the principle of siphon. Siphon मतलब क्या है? Siphon मतलब आपको हम to transport the liquid from the large containers to small containers, we use small pump as merchants, general merchants, grocery merchants use the transport some oil, groundnut oil or something, kerosene or something, use small pump. That works on the principle of siphon. Or masons while construction in building, कोई building construct करने के बाद use small tube called leveling tube. This leveling tube, they fill it with water, suck it water and leave it. Automatically the water flows inside the tube without any external intervention. That principle is called the siphon principle. Extinguisher works on the principle of siphon. Same principle is used for the siphon principle. There are only two internal parts, siphon tube and gas cartridge. External parts is this is the discharge hose holder, discharge hose. This is the discharge hose. And here there is a safety clip or safety pin. Before operating, this safety pin should be removed and valve should be pressed. This is the basic procedure. And this performance data for this extinguisher is, for example, water type में 9 liters का capacity में, foam type 9 liters take is same capacity.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
सर एक बार वो जो केमिकल्स फोम में जो केमिकल्स रहता है वो एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए.
Aluminum sulfate plus sodium bicarbonate. Aluminum sulfate plus sodium bicarbonate are the chemicals. Sodium bicarbonate में nothing but is a baking soda. घर में यूज करने वाले baking soda मालूम है ना आपको? Kitchen soda. That is nothing but sodium bicarbonate. Simply mix the aluminum sulfate sodium bicarbonate, then foam can be produced. Now recent days, these chemicals are avoided, but simply using the AFFF, aqueous film forming solution, small solution, they are mixing with water. They are using for the foam. Of course, that Construction details are not much particular, but of course you can have it. Here coming to performance data, here for 9 liters capacity of water type 1, the discharge time is 42 seconds. For foam type, it is only 40 seconds. Say jet length, how much length it can disperse the material, that is the कितना दूर material जा सकता है, 6 meters तक जा सकता है. If you operate from here 5-6 meters तक है तो 6 meters तक you can pour the material by using this extinguisher. यानी आपको working pressure जरूरत नहीं है. This is the simple discharge time for the water type. Remember that. See 9 liter वाला only 42 seconds आ रहे हैं. आपको मालूम है कितना कम टाइम आ रहा है. इतना कम टाइम में आपको हमको आपको बुझाना है. Okay, remember this is the performance rate of the water and foam type. As I said earlier, there is one more other type in the water and foam type. There is stored pressure type. This is multi-purpose use. You can use any number of times. There is small fire, you can operate and put aside. Again there is fire, again you can operate. Again if there is fire, until there is a material inside the this cylinder. Okay, this is water type. Same, this is foam type. I said earlier, we can easily identify the foam type with the yellow strip. This is the yellow strip. This is called the stored pressure extinguisher. Stored pressure. This is multi-purpose. How can we differentiate between the gas carriage and stored pressure? Is for stored pressure there is small gauge. दिख रहा है किधर? Small gauge. Either side red color, बीच में green color. If the needle is in green color only, it is working condition. If needle red color में आ गए तो काम नहीं करता. This is a stored pressure one. This is by seeing this gauge, we can easily identify the pressure gauge. Easily identify the stored pressure one. Stored pressure में अंदर कुछ नहीं है. एक siphon tube होता है. Gas carriage में नहीं है. But filled with the pressure. Filled with the pressure inside this same parts, same discharge tube. Only siphon tube is important in the stored pressure. Okay. See this stored pressure capacity also same as that gas cartridge one. So no need to again repeat that. But third one, अभी water हो गया, foam हो गया. तीसरा है dry chemical powder. Powder type में दो पता है ना आपको. एक dry chemical powder है, दूसरा special dry powder है. Dry chemical powder. Why it is used? Because इसमें आपका Indian Railways में this is the basic model used in Indian Railways. We'll see the basic parts here. Here inside there is a gas cartridge filled with CO2 gas. Filled with CO2 gas. And coming from the top, the parts are, first one is the plunger. This is the plunger. This is the movable part. This is just like spring. This is just like spring. Beside this plunger, there is a safety clip. There is a small notch here. There is a safety clip. And besides this, there is a cap assembly. There is a steel cap. Steel one is a steel cap assembly. This is the handle. This is the cylinder. Inside this is CO2 gas cartridge. This tube is called the siphon tube. This tube is called the siphon tube. This is the discharge tube. This is the discharge tube. Simple parts. How it is operated, I will see. Simply remove the safety clip. Safety clip remove करना. Hit the plunger. Plunger. पंचर करने के बाद क्या होता है? अंदर से CO2 गैस बाहर रिलीज होता है. And it mixes with the dry chemical powder. This ash color है ना, ये DCP है. Dry chemical powder. By the principle of siphon, because this pressure increases, CO2 gas आता है, ये दोनों mix होने के बाद pressure ज़्यादा होता है. By the principle of siphon, it comes to the discharge tube, siphon tube into the discharge tube. But while operating this, please be very careful, because many loco pilots and many guards have lost their jaws while operating this. Why? Because these extinguishers are kept on the wall, hanged on the walls for longer periods. Inside this tube, आपको देख रहे हैं इसको, discharge tube. Inside this tube, insects will build their nests here. अंदर जाके कुछ nest मिलता है. क्या होता है? इधर operate करने के बाद इस gas comes here and this dry chemical powder comes here and comes here. But here there is obstruction. Some insect is there here. Insect is there here अंदर. आपको ना दिख रहा है. अंदर है ना? क्या होता है? Again this comes back and hits the plunger. If your face is on the top of the plunger, हमको क्या है? Plunger operate करने के बाद उधर ही रहता. If face is on the top of the plunger, it hits the face. So please keep your face away from the plunger. Please keep aside and operate this type of extinguishers. Don't keep your face on the top of the plunger and operate, because by mistake there is an obstruction here. This comes back and hits your face. Okay, so please be very careful. This is the one precaution to be taken before operating. Just see this tube, discharge tube देखो, अंदर कुछ है तो निकालो. Just use one small stick or something and remove all this. Okay, And second precaution is don't keep your face on the top of the plunger. Only hit with your hand, heel of the hand, and keep away your face. This is only one precaution. Okay. अंदर ये TCP है ना, TCP में क्या केमिकल होता है जनरली? Is it harmful to humans? We can inhale or inhale होते हैं क्या होता? देखेंगे. TCP में एक केमिकल है मोनो अमोनियम फास्फेट. इसको क्या बोलता है? मोनो अमोनियम फास्फेट. इसको दूसरा नाम है ट्राई क्लास एंड मल्टीपर्पज भी बोलता है. मोनो अमोनियम फास्फेट. It can be used for A class, B class and C class. A class मतलब solid fires, B class मतलब liquid fires, C class मतलब gaseous and electrical fires. You can use for all the types of fires. Okay, it is in the pale yellow in color. ऐसे दिखता है, pale light yellowish color में दिखता है. This is the mono ammonium phosphate. इसको MAP भी बोलते हैं, MAP, MAP बोलते हैं. Mono ammonium, MAP, mono ammonium phosphate. Second one है sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate nothing but a baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate मतलब baking soda. Baking soda मतलब घर में यूज करना, किचन में यूज करता ना, वो baking soda. This is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, this is the white or blue in color. White or blue in color. Okay, क्या कहता है इसको? It absorbs the heat and releases a cloud of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide में just smothering effect है. So smothers the fire. That is carbon dioxide disperses the oxygen and puts out the fire. Because of this property, sodium bicarbonate is used. Sodium bicarbonate. Okay. And third one is potassium bicarbonate. Potassium bicarbonate. Simple chemical name is purple K. Purple K. It is more effective than the sodium bicarbonate because potassium bicarbonate is a strong chemical. Because it's a dry chemical agent, it can be used in the oil and gas industry also. Oil में भी use कर सकते हैं. Generally, oil industry में foam type use करता है. But especially for oil and gas industry, a strong chemical is used. That is the potassium bicarbonate. It is preferred in the oil and gas industry. They like that the many areas. Next, it is in the violet color में. Violet color में होता है potassium bicarbonate. And fourth one is the potassium bicarbonate mixed with urea. Potassium bicarbonate mixed with urea. Urea मतलब मालूम है ना, ammonium is used in the fields for the agriculture purpose. That's urea. That is finely processed, just like flour. आटा जैसे करके यूरिया इसमें मिक्स करता है पोटेशियम बाइकार्बोनेट में. ट्रेड नेम है मोनेक्स और पावरएक्स बोल के मार्केट में मिलते हैं हमको. यूज्ड फॉर बी एंड सी क्लास फायर्स. यूज्ड फॉर बी एंड सी क्लास फायर्स. इट इज मोर इफेक्टिव देन ऑल पाउडर्स बिकॉज थोड़ा इंक्रीज की इसको केमिकल इंक्रीज किया पोटेशियम बाइकार्बोनेट में, यूरिया भी ऐड किया. सो लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फायर्स, लार्ज सरफेस एरिया में फाइन है तो इट इज मोर इफेक्टिव. जस्ट वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई विद दिस द ग्रे इन कलर. First is the monoammonium phosphate, so slowly it will use. Second, sodium bicarbonate. For small fires you can use. Potassium bicarbonate for oil fires and gaseous fires you can use. But if you mix the urea with potassium bicarbonate, we can use in the large quantity of fires. With one spray, we can put out the fire. That is the power of this chemical, potassium bicarbonate with urea. And last one, met-alkyl and pyrokyl. Met-alkyl and pyrokyl is nothing but a simple variation of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate में कुछ ऐड करके it is used. It is you can be observed within the blue or red in color. It is met-alkyl is observed in the blue or red in color. These are the dry chemical powder type. Dry chemical powder type. Then coming to dry powder, क्यों है dry powder डालने का जरूरत क्यों है? क्योंकि because for metallic fires, if you use the chemical that like monoammonium phosphate, sodium bicarbonate or potassium bicarbonate, some chemical, that chemical may react with the metal and some poisonous gas may emit. Because of this property, we use only dry powder without chemical. Chemical नहीं है इसमें. So metallic fires में DCP use करे तो some poisonous may emit which is harmful to human health. So only especially for metallic fires, we use dry powder. Special variation. पहले वन है सोडियम क्लोराइड. सोडियम क्लोराइड मतलब नमक, आपको मालूम है नमक. But here finely processed salt, not like a ordinary salt. Finely processed salt, not like crystal salt. Is trade name है Super D or Met-LX. Okay, ये salt क्या होता है? ये salt melt होता है. किससे melt होता है? Metal से, metal heat से melt होके it forms as a layer on the metallic surface. Because it forms as a layer on the metallic surface, it just obstructs the cuts out supply of oxygen and puts out the fire. This is the sodium chloride. Next is the ternary eutectic chloride, TEC, ternary eutectic chloride. It is nothing but a chlorides of barium and sodium and potassium exam. Same thing, it is also melts with the heat and forms as a layer on the metal and absorbs the heat and cuts off the oxygen supply to the fire. Simply by smoothing method, just like forming a layer on the metal, hot metal, and metallic fire can be removed. This is the sodium chloride TEC. तीसरा है ग्राफाइट बेस्ड. आपको मालूम है ग्राफाइट मतलब वन फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन, वन फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन. पेंसिलेट भी यूज करता है ना, पेंसिलेट में ब्लैक वन दैट इज मेड ऑफ ग्राफाइट. दिस आल्सो finely processed powder can be used in the hot burning metal fires, mainly such as lithium metal is can be used, lithium fires. Okay, next one is called the sodium carbonate based. Sodium carbonate मतलब washing soda. आपको मालूम है घर में यूज करने वाला washing soda is made up of sodium carbonate. Wheel, Tide, Ariel, these are the sodium carbonate based. This is the one special variation for the smoothing effect on the metals, and most of this is used in the industries. Mainly this type is used in the industries. Any metals, any shovels, any scoops applied with the heat, this is used as the extinguishing material. There are 4 types. One is the sodium chloride, TEC, next graphite based, sodium carbonate based. Only these 4 types used for the dry powder with the just like the blue strip है ना वाल में blue strip. The blue strip. For foam type, yellow strip. For a powder type, blue strip. It is the gas cartridge type. Gas cartridge matlab single use one. Gas cartridge matlab. Okay. Next, inside the parts same parts as the water type and foam type. Only one gas cartridge is there and one siphon tube is there. But inside the material is powder. For foam type, it is foam. For water type, it is water. For here, this powder type में powder आता है inside material. Remaining parts are same.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, suppose in our railway stores, many types of materials are kept.
Yes.
So like wood, oil, etc. So at that site, for controlling power, fire, many types of fire extinguishers have to keep.
No. This powder type is enough. Powder type is enough. It can be put all types: A class, B class, C class. As said earlier, A class मतलब solid, B class मतलब liquid, C class मतलब gas. But this powder type can be used for all types of fires. You can use, but except.
And one more question, sir.
Yes, please.
And one more question. Once these fire extinguishers are used, so that has to be replaced, and we cannot fill all that. No, that has to be refilled by experts.
No, experts is not required. In the stores, there is a provision for refilling procedure. Just with a matter of 100 and 200 rupees, it can be refilled. One extinguisher can be refilled. In the stores will take care of that. Nothing that stores has it is a store property. You can hand over this to the stores and they will refill and they will exchange it. Just your duty is to replace, not refill. आपको provision है तो refill कर सकता है. Provision नहीं है तो just replace with the stores and replace with the new extinguisher. Immediately after extinguishing the fire, simply take the extinguisher to the stores and replace with the new one.
বাইরে থেকে প্রশ্ন করছো কেন গো?
कहाँ? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. See, this available in this 4 kgs, 6 kgs, and 9 kgs. This DCP. Basically, in our railways, it is in smaller amounts only. Of course, in electrical shops, there is a 200 kgs also. Big amount of cylinder is there. But in electrical fires, only for electrical department is available. For remaining other departments, it only 4, 6, and 9 kgs available. The discharge time is only 18 seconds. For 4 kgs and 6 kgs, it is 21 seconds. For 9 kgs, it is 23 seconds. Here, see the jet length, only 2 meters. For 4 kgs, only 2 meters तक चलता है. For 6 kgs, 6 meters तक, 4 meters तक. 9 kgs, 6 meters तक चलता है. Remembering this jet lengths and this discharge time, you must operate very precisely on the fires. This is very important. This is just for information. आपको just using your common sense also you can apply it. Just for information, this is. See, this is the dry chemical for stored pressure one. Stored pressure matlab multi-purpose. You can use any number of times. As said earlier, the stored pressure is identified with a small gauge. Either side में red color, beach में green color. If it is in green color only, it is operating. Same for stored pressure gas cartridge, the band is same. Powder type में simply remember powder type means blue band. Foam type means yellow band. Like this. Remember that. Okay. The parts are also same. See, in the stored pressure available in 1, 2, 4, 6, and 9 kgs. See the discharge time, how is very less amount of time. By keeping this in mind, we should operate this stored pressure also. Next one, carbon dioxide one. Carbon dioxide gas extinguisher. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is nothing but a gas. But while operating this, you should be very careful because in this carbon dioxide one, you can observe there is a large horn type discharge tube, not like pipe. It is like a horn type discharge tube. This is horn type. This is indicated with the black band. Black band. While operating, this is the different one, not like squeezing one. This just remove the pin. Here pin निकालने के बाद ये safety pin बोलते हैं इसको. Pin निकालने के बाद एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन मतलब ऐसा ऐसे घुमाना ऐसा. Just slowly, don't operate very fastly because inside the gas is filled at very less temperatures. Less मतलब मालूम है minus 23 degrees centigrade. Minus 23 degrees centigrade. Very cold. Gas will be very cold. So operate very carefully. Don't operate hurry-burryly. Slowly remove it. And it makes noise. Don't afraid. Nothing will happen. It makes noise. Like noise will come. But this is best suitable for the some type of electronic fires, and some types of liquid fires also. So basing on the availability of the extinguishers, you should use the extinguisher. This is the carbon dioxide one. Okay. And inside the parts of carbon dioxide one is the simple parts. There is only one tube called siphon tube filled with the CO2 gas. There is a safety pin here. This is the squeezing type. But operate carrying the carbon dioxide here only. Don't carry either here and there because this is the only place you have to hold it. Because if you carry here, अंदर से ठंडा हवा आ रहा है, बाहर से हमारा बॉडी गर्म है, ये ट्यूब ब्रेक होता. ब्रेक हुआ बहुत टाइम में ब्रेक हो गया. इसलिए प्रिकॉशन मेजर क्या है? इधर ही पकड़ना है, इधर उधर नहीं पकड़ना है. ओनली होल्ड हियर बिकॉज इनसाइड से गैस -23 हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर है 37 प्लस 37 -23 प्लस 37 because of this temperature variation this tube will break. So hold at this place only. This is the correct place and proper place to hold while operating the CO2 extinguishers. Okay. Next, available in 2 kgs, 3 kgs and 4.5 kgs. For discharge time is only 9.5 seconds for 2 kgs and 12 seconds for 4.5 kgs. Jet length also 1 meter to 3 meters. Okay. Remembering this in the mind, you should operate very carefully. Next one, the clean agent one. Clean agent. नाम क्यों आ गया clean agent? मतलब clean मतलब क्या है? स्वच्छ. Agent मतलब just like some type of chemical, some type of gas, something. Okay. Why clean agent? Because if you operate water type, पानी वाला ऑपरेट किया तो आपको ब्रेक चाहिए 5 minutes.
Sir, for domestic use, which type of fire extinguisher is required?
घर में उसके अलावा DCP और CO2.
Pardon?
DCP, dry chemical powder.
Okay.
Dry chemical powder or carbon dioxide one also suitable.
Okay.
We request break for 5 minutes because
Yes, sir. 5 minutes break required.
I can complete it in by 12 without break. I can complete by 12 o'clock. Neither 12:15 ऐसा होता. I just 40 minutes. Bear with me. 40 minutes है तो just I will complete it. Break required है? Shall I continue?
5 minutes, sir. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. Now it is 11:16. I will come by 11:21. Sharply, please. Okay. If you have any tea or coffee, please have it and please come.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
11:21 will join, please. 11:21.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Hello. All are available, please. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I continue? For example, if you operate water type, what is the residue? Residue means leftover part. पानी पानी दिखता है हमको. If you operate foam type, foam दिखता है. If you operate powder type, you can see powder also. If you operate CO2, you can see white gas. But if you operate clean agent, we cannot see nothing. Clean. That's clean because the name is clean agent. It is the best suited for the electronic fires. Electronic fires मतलब कोई कंप्यूटर वाला जल गया, कोई मोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में सर्वर्स में कोई फायर आ गए तो clean agent use कर सकते हैं. Because if you use powder type in a computer burning, if CPU burns some by mistake, some CPU is burnt. If you use a DCP, small dust particle, that is the small powder can damage the chips. But here, if you use the clean agent, this can, and the chip can be, that slot can be reusable without any harm. The electronic device, whichever got fire, can be repaired and reusable without any harm. But if you operate any type, water type, foam type, or any type, it's just scrap. Only that clean agent, if you operate clean agent or CO2, something like this, we can use and we can make it reusable. Okay, this is the clean agent one. Here, it is available in 1, 2, 4, and 6 kgs. Clean agent is available in 1, 2, and 4, 6 kgs. This is used mainly in the software industry. Software industry, that is the main software. मतलब hardware prepare करता है ना, software and hardware, where this chips, electronic chips, and this clean agent is used. Microchips and this they are used. There it is used. And next one is the modular extinguishers. Modular मतलब हमको recently मालूम है modular kitchens आ गया, less space में more comfort जैसा. Similarly, it is the modular extinguishers just like ceiling fan. Ceiling fan मालूम है आपको? Ceiling fan fit and forget. घर में ceiling fan use करते हैं, just fit and forget in the roof, just like this. This has small gauge and small sensor. There are two types in the small extinguishers: ABC type and clean agent type. ABC type and clean agent type. ABC type मतलब A class, B class, C class. That is solid fires, liquid fires, gaseous fires, and electrical fires. Clean agent मतलब for electronic fires. This is for the electronic fires. Simply, if this sensor observes any smoke, fire, heat, automatically it opens. No extra intervention is required. No need to operate by any humans. Just automatically. Fire prone areas में इसको रहता है. Simply, if the sensor detects the fire, smoke, or heat, automatically it will open the mouth and disperses the extinguishing material. There are two types. This is mainly used in the banking sector and mainly other areas. And this is used mainly in the hardware, that is server rooms में use करता है इसको. Clean agent वाला server rooms. Amazon, Flipkart, आपको मालूम है, big billion day में they will give some offers. At earlier days, because of this heavy rush, the servers have burnt. At this server rooms में this clean agent type is used. So this is especially automatic type. This modulation is automatic type. Okay, just fit and forget. Okay, next, fire extinguishing ball, just like shot put ball मालूम है आपको, shot put ball जैसे आता है, where there is no chance of going to fire area. मतलब extinguisher पकड़ के वो fire में उधर जाके we cannot operate because of heat. Fire ज़्यादा होए तो extinguisher पकड़ के उधर नहीं जा पाता है. At that time, simply throw the ball on the fire area, where there is a fire in the room or in the car, in the wherever it is. Simply throw the ball. This ball will explode immediately coming contact with the fire. Fire को contact आने के बाद explode होता है. Then automatically puts out the fire. आपको मालूम है, one ball can cover 5 square meter area. One ball can cover 5 square meter area. But only one backdraw is this is as just like a small grenade, it will explode. Sound आता है छोटा, थप जैसे sound आता है. This is only one backdrop. Remaining all is okay. If you throw this ball in the fire area, it will put up. Not only throwing the ball, just hang these balls in the electrical panels or electrical where there is a fire chances. Just hang them. Suddenly, if there is a fire in the electrical panel rooms or something there, it will explode. Automatically coming contact will explode. No need to operate. This modular extinguisher type and fire extinguisher ball are the automatic type, just like automatic type. No need to operate and no need to use like this. These are the total 7 types of extinguishers. Total 7 types of extinguishers. आपको refilling schedule भी the other 5 years for gas cartridge and 2 years for the stored pressure one. This is a refilling schedule for the extinguishers. And coming to life of fire extinguishers, life मतलब cylinder का life है, cylinder का life है. For example, water type has 10 years, foam type 10 years, except CO2. Remaining all types have 10 years. Water, foam, powder, and clean agent have 10 years. Only CO2 has 15 years of lifetime. CO2 has 15 years of lifetime. This is the life of extinguishers. आपको मालूम है घर में यूज करने वाला LPG सिलेंडर्स का भी लाइफ टाइम होता है? Anybody knows? घर में यूज करने वाले LPG सिलेंडर्स को भी लाइफ टाइम होता है, उसको भी एक्सपायरी डेट होता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. घर में यूज करने वाले LPG सिलेंडर्स में there is a alphanumeric coding like ABCD. ABCD मतलब this is not operating video. ABCD मतलब just like 1 year is divided into 4 quarters. First quarter means January, February, March. Second, April, May, June. Third, July, August, September. Fourth, October, November, December. A, B, C, D. A मतलब first quarter, D मतलब last quarter. There is a code near the strip of the gas cylinder. LP cylinder में एक strip में A22 दिखता है. इसका मतलब है that cylinder expires on March 2022. उसके बाद नहीं यूज करना. Many fire accidents occurred because of the expiry date cylinders. Generally, gas agencies will not deliver you, but because of long storage, by mistake they may deliver you. Please see this alphanumeric code before taking the cylinder. घर में use करने वाला. Because this expiry cylinder may cause fire accident. For example, D23 means that cylinder expires on December 23. उसके बाद नहीं use करना. That is the life of the LPG cylinders, not the LPG cylinders. Okay. Next, we'll come into the suitability of the extinguishers. That is, for example, for A class fires. Yes, please. Any doubt? Okay, I'll show you. For A class fires, that is solid fires. First preference is the water type extinguishers. It may be gas cartridge or stored pressure. What are the type? First preference is the water type. If it is not available, then go for DCP. It may be gas cartridge or stored pressure. For B class fires, that is the liquid fires, first preference is the mechanical foam type one. This is the yellow strip wala. It may be gas cartridge or stored pressure. Gas cartridge matlab single use, stored pressure matlab multi use. That is the model. This. If it is not available, then go for DCP. If DCP is not available, then go for CO2 for liquid fires. And for C class, that is gas and electrical fires, first preference is the CO2 one. If CO2 is not available, then go for DCP. See here, DCP is common for A class, B class, C class. So it is called as a universal type of extinguisher. You can use in घर में use कर सकते हैं, office में use कर सकते हैं, कहीं भी use कर सकते हैं. But except near workshops or somewhere metallic fires are there we use only special DP. Not even DCP. We use only special DP. That is the special dry powder. Only for metallic fires. Only for D class fires. Remaining A class, B class, C class, we can use DCP. So most of them we will see only DCP and CO2 type. This is the reason. Here there are some extinguishers on the table. Please identify them. First one, what is this? This one. Respond, anybody please. This type of extinguisher is called
CO2.
Second one.
CO2.
This one. Second extinguisher. This is the water type. Third one, yellow strip, foam type. This one, water type. This one, powder type. It may be DCP or DP. What are the powder type? This one again, foam type. This one, clean agent. These are the several types of extinguisher located on the table. By seeing the color code, we can easily identify the extinguisher. Black means CO2, yellow means foam type, this green means clean agent, like this. And full red color means water type. This you can easily identify. Okay. Next, we will go for the how to operate the fire extinguishers. simply using the principle called PASS, pass principle. One can best operate a fire extinguishers by using the pass principle. Pass मतलब क्या है? P मतलब pull. क्या pull करना? Pull the pin from the handle. Handle का safety pin होता है, इसको pull करना first. Next, aim. A मतलब aim. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Don't aim at the fire. Base कहाँ से आ रहा है? उसका base कहाँ से? First वो देखो, उधर aim करना first. Next, squeeze. Squeeze मतलब just hit like, just press the handle and don't let go. Don't release, just press it like that only. Don't release the handle. Don't press and release. Just hold it like this. Press and release. Hold it like this. That is called squeezing. And last S means sweep. Sweep the nozzle from side to side. Don't keep on one side only and one face only. Just where there is fire, just sweep on the fire area. Simple. P means pull, A means aim, S means squeeze, other aspects sweep. By using this, just you can operate the extinguishers. Nothing any special. Okay, nothing rocket science in this. Simple using the pass principle. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. This is the like just pull the safety pin here. Safety pin pull kiya. Aim that nozzle at the base of the fire. And here, this is the squeezing. Just press this squeezing and sweeping. Just like here and the sweeping the nozzle. This is the 4 steps in the correct use of the extinguishers. Okay, this. Next here, where not to use the extinguishers. Here where to use मालूम हो गया. Where not to use. For example,
सर पिन को एक बार फिर से दिखाइए सर. एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
इधर
शो द पिन वंस मोर.
क्या होता? पुल, एम, स्क्वीज एंड स्वीप. इधर पिन होता है, रिमूव है. ये वाला पिन वाला में ये दिस इज पिन. हियर होता है दिस इज द पिन. ऑलरेडी रिमूव है. इधर होता जस्ट रिमूव लाइक दिस. ओके, इज इट ओके? दिस इज द पिन. इधर से रिमूव किया. इधर होल दिख रहा है ना, होल में होता पिन. दिस इज होल में पिन होता. बिकॉज accidentally this two may press, so accidental to not release, we use the safety pin here. The safety pin is used here because accidentally not pressing this two levers, this pin is used in between these levers. After remove the pin, this is free now. Pull, aim, squeeze and sweep. Sweep ऐसे sweep करना. Okay, these are the 4 steps using the pass principle. Then where not to use? Here, for example, water tap can be used only for solid fires, not for liquid, gas, and electrical fires. Not also, of course, cooking oil is not in our syllabus. Not for all these types. Because if you use very dangerous,
Sir,
if you use it in
excuse me,
liquid
sir.
fires. Please.
Sir, in some places plunger type also there, sir. What is that?
Just
You
hit
have
the plunger.
to-
Just instead of squeezing this, just hit the plunger. In this plunger type also there is a safety clip. Plunger में clip होता, इधर में pin होता. Just hit the plunger with your hand. Hand से इधर दबाना. Simple. But don't keep your face on the plunger. Face दूर रख के hit करना. Because by chance there is an accident of hitting back the plunger. So keep your face away from the plunger and hit the plunger. That is the procedure for that. Most of the types are now replacing by plunger type is replacing with the squeeze type only. Railway board has ordered to replace this squeeze type because this plunger type has some that is what you call accidents. Many accidents have occurred because of the plunger type. Now many depots and many divisional offices like this plunger type is removed and the squeeze type is replaced. Now that here water type can be used only for solids. If you use it for liquids, क्या होता है? ज़्यादा होता है. If you use for electrical fires, shock आता है. Water liquid fires में use करे तो electrical fires use करते shock आता है. So don't use water type if you available. You only use for solids. Foam, you can use it for solids and liquids, not for gas and electrical fires. It can be used only for the solids and liquids. Foam type is not for practical for home use. Home में नहीं use कर सकता है. घर में नहीं use कर सकते foam type. But here powder type can be used for solids, liquids, gases and electrical fires also. So it is called the universal type. Powder type can be used in any number. But remember that up to 1000 volts, electrical fires 1000 volts, it can be used. Beyond that, it cannot be used. But beyond that, the fire cannot be extinguished. Beyond that, okay. But for that type, for CO2 can be used. And CO2 can be used only for liquids and electrical fires. Beyond high voltage also, you can use CO2 one. For normal use a normal usage like office use, and you can use DCP for a traction purpose or something. Suppose you can use CO2 for any fires due to traction like that. You can use CO2. CO2 can be used for liquid fires and the electrical fires. This keep user common sense, just operate precisely and correctly on the fires. Okay. Next, just brief review. Class A fires मतलब क्या है? Combustible materials like wood, paper. Class B मतलब liquids. Class C मतलब gas and electrical fires. Class D मतलब metallic fires. Of course, class K is also there, cooking oils and fats, but not in our syllabus. So we only deal with the class A, B, C, and D. A मतलब solids, B मतलब liquids, C मतलब gas and electrical fires, D मतलब metallic fires. Okay. This is the old notation in some government offices and some old buildings. There is a notation like this: A triangle with green color A class, square with red color B class, circle with blue color C class, star with yellow color D class. Whatever the color, whatever the geometric shape, but A class means solids, B means liquids, C means gas and electrical fires, D means metals. Remember that, okay? Here, in case of train accidents, in case of a fire in train or any disaster, how to respond, especially in fire in train, how to respond. I'll share some simple steps. Because, for example, we are all traveling in one train, one coach. Especially fire accidents occurs in trains, especially in AC coaches. Most of the, of course, it may occur in a sleeper coaches and it may occur in a general coaches also. But most of the fire accidents occurs in AC coaches due to loose wiring, due to short circuit, etc. For example, we are all traveling in a train. In the night time, there is some fire accident happened in the AC coach. Generally, how will you respond? Please, any 3 or 4, please respond one by one. In case of fire accident train, what is your first priority? What will you do? What will you do generally in case of fire in train, a traveling train? Please respond. Any 3 or 4.
Pull the chain, sir, first.
First, pull the
Break
chain.
the glass.
Break the glass. Second, good. Any third person? Bus. Pull the chain and break the glass. आपको कैसे बुझाता है? How to put out the fire? Okay. इसके पहले आपको मालूम है रनिंग ट्रेन में कितना एक्सटिंग्विशर अवेलेबल है? एक ट्रेन में एक्सटिंग्विशर कहाँ है? कहाँ होता है? जनरली कितना अवेलेबल है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द लोको मतलब इंजन में देयर आर 4 एक्सटिंग्विशर्स. देयर आर 4 एक्सटिंग्विशर्स लोको में. नेक्स्ट इन द बैक साइड जनरल कोच में कुछ नहीं होता. जनरल कोच में जनरली एक्सटिंग्विशर आर नॉट केप्ट बिकॉज ऑफ थेफ्ट. दे विल नॉट कीप एक्सटिंग्विशर्स. नेक्स्ट स्लीपर कोच में भी नहीं है. बट फ्रॉम अक्टूबर टू द 19 onwards, railway board has ordered to put extinguishers in the sleeper, one extinguisher in the sleeper coach also, one in the sleeper coach. Generally in AC coach there are 2 extinguishers. One is the gas cartridge, दूसरा stored pressure है. एक one time use है, दूसरा multi use है. ये AC coach में रहता है. हर AC coach में 2 रहता है. Next in the brake van there are 2 available. Brake van means guard bogie. Guard bogie में 2 available है. Next in the long trains like this long running trains, there is a pantry car available. In this pantry car there are 6 extinguishers. 2 near the manager, 2 near the corridor, 2 near the kitchen. Manager के पास 2 होता है, kitchen में 2 होता है, corridor में 2 होता है. If you do not observe them, please complain to the concerned authorities. Because pantry car में भी पक्का होना है 6 के नीचे कोई है तो you can complain to the concerned authorities. Okay, this is the available.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir, who is authorized to operate these extinguishers? Anybody?
In running train, guard is the authorized. Running train में guard को pull सकता है. You can say the guard because the guard is in charge of the train. You can say the guard. They are not available. Please see the because in case of accident, if there is no available extinguishers, there is chance of fire accident. Because many trains, Tamil Nadu Express में fire हो गया, Hubli Express में fire हो गया. This is both fire हो गया. I will say one accident happened in the that is Assam में Gautam में there is one Gaisal accident. कितना लोग को मालूम है? In this Gaisal accident, the general manager of the railway was suspended. GM of the railway was suspended because of this fire accident. I will say the incident. Generally आपको NI working मालूम है हमको, non-interlock working मालूम है ना? NI working? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. During case of NI working, at that time, it happened on decade back. At that time, there is no data loggers, there is no equipment. Nahi hai. There is a Gaisal बोल के station है. And before that station, some NI working is going on. Not on the other station, before the station. NI working is going on. That point means turn the point in the reverse, and some point operation has been done. After that, there is a heavy rain. Because of heavy rain, he came to the cable hut. He did not turn the point into normal again, but he forgot or something. He came to the cable hut. As per he should turn the point in the normal and fit the clamps there, and he had to come. But due to heavy rain, just ran to the cable hut. Just ran to the cable hut. Okay. At the time, one train was coming in the up direction from Howrah. Up direction. The station master thought that the pointsman had turned the point into the normal because there is no direct interlocking arrangement because it is NI working. So he gave the signal. Actually, the train should be going up direction, but the point is already in the reverse direction. The train is took the down direction. Is a 2-3 stations have passed like that because silence please. Silence please.
वापस रख लो क्या अपने पास अपना क्या नाम है?
Okay, 2-3 stations have been passed like this, and in the third station also, one more train is coming from the opposite direction, on the down direction. The station master thought the train is in up direction because no station master came out and saw the physical movement of the train. And in the train passed the station near Gaisal and is entering the Gaisal. One more train is coming from the Gaisal, that is from the towards Howrah side. Please mute, please. Silence, please.
हाँ उसी में काला वाला बैग में काला नहीं उसी लगा हुआ उसी
Hello, please silence. Who is that? Okay. There was one more train coming towards Howrah. These two trains hit overhead collision हो गया. एक ट्रेन में आर्मी वाला जा रहे हैं, इस ट्रेन में आर्मी वाला जा रहे हैं विद एमिनेशन. आपको मालूम है एमिनेशन बहुत very very large amount of ammunition. It happened in the midnight. Going on, heavy rain going on. So this overhead collision. Please mute your audio, please.
बच्चा बोल रहा मम्मी भूख लगी है.
Your audio. The host.
VK Singh.
Okay, thank you. Okay, after this hitting, it happened in the midnight 2 o'clock. Midnight 2 o'clock. Is it audible? My voice is audible? Okay. Midnight 2 o'clock में हो गया. Heavy rain is going on. No rescue service have arrived at the spot. No rescue service have arrived at the spot. Because lack of information of the fire accident. Morning 7:30 they have arrived at the spot. You can imagine that how situation is how worst. Surrounding villages came and rescued the people. Here some legs cut, hands cut. You can imagine the dead bodies. Very very worst accident because of the negligence of appointment, turning the point from reverse to normal. The general manager was suspended from this his post. This is one of the worst accident in the Indian Railways. This is the Gaisal accident. You can search in the net. बाद में search कर सकता है. One of the accident. Okay. Now in case of fire accident in train or train में कुछ fire हो गया तो first क्या करना है? First do not panic because panic होए तो क्या होता है? आपको common sense lose होता है. You lose your common sense. Please be calm and cool. Do not panic. Please be calm and cool. Just yes, please.
Sir, one question, sir. Suppose any railway person is traveling by train and
Yes.
fire occurs. Suppose he is traveling by AC coach
Yes.
So can he use, if he knows to the use of fire extinguisher, can he use the fire extinguisher, or first he has to inform the guard whether he can use or not, or on his own he can use if he knows the use of the fire extinguisher?
Okay, if the fire is small, if it is preventable with one extinguisher, you can use the extinguisher. Any passenger, not only railway servant, any passenger can use the extinguisher. If the fire is small amount, if fire is uncontrollable, then what to do? Then you cannot inform the guard. You cannot go to the guard and guard ऐसा हो गया कुछ नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि guard बहुत पीछे होता. Guard पीछे होता. You cannot go. There is no possibility of going to guard and informing him. We don't know the guard phone number. We don't know nothing. In case first क्या करना है वही बोल रहा हूँ. First, in case of passenger क्या करना है? Should try to stop the train. In case of fire क्या करना? Stop the train. First, either pulling the chain. Then ट्रेन स्टॉप होने के बाद क्या होता है? ऑटोमेटिकली फायर थोड़ा कम होता है. रनिंग ट्रेन में फायर ज्यादा होता है, स्टॉपिंग ट्रेन में थोड़ा कम होता. देन पैसेंजर रिक्वेस्टेड एक्सटिंग्विश द फायर यूजिंग द एक्सटिंग्विशर्स. आपको मालूम है पैंट्री कार में 6 हैं, गार्ड ब्रेक में 2 है, इंजन में 4 है. ऐसा मालूम कहाँ है वो लेके आना, जल्दी लेके आके ऑपरेट करना. पहले डोर के पास ऑपरेट करना, डोर के पास. बट डोंट ब्रेक द ग्लास और डोंट ओपन द डोर इमीडिएटली. स्लोली after operating the extinguisher on the door part, slowly operate on the window parts also. Then open the doors. Don't try to rush towards the door, all of you. Please, anybody, if anybody traveling in this type of trains, any passengers, first don't rush to the doors. Because one accident has happened in the Warangal district near in Telangana area. के समुद्र में एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया. गौतमी ट्रेन बोल के एक ट्रेन है. उस टाइम all the people, their 2 coaches have been burnt. All the people are rushed towards the door. 2 sleeper coaches are completely burnt. Just people died near the door like a queue manner. Because at the time, due to heat, क्या हो गया? Door का metal expand होके stuck हो गया. At the time, there are 2 notches, 2 locks, upper lock and lower lock. From then onwards, lower lock is removed from this all trains. आपको मालूम है railway lock कैसे होता है? एक 2 just bars होता है, ऐसे करके ऐसे करना बोल के. That is the situation. Don't rush towards the door. Try to escape from the emergency windows if possible. So from then onwards, emergency windows is kept on the first coupe area. Generally, emergency windows in the middle of the coach, but from the Gautam train accident, there is the emergency windows kept on the first coupe or second coupe in the train. This is the third thing. Fourth thing is switch off all electrical appliances as possible to avoid short circuiting available in the train. If you don't do it, if you don't know, please keep quiet. Okay. Next, आपको मालूम है ART, MRV, they will reach the accident spot. As a railway servant or as a general passenger, you can help the ART team and MRV team because they have all equipment, they have all extinguishers available with them. You can help them. Okay, these you can do as a railway servant. Okay, all railway officials, anybody, any staff traveling in the train, either on duty or leave or present or in the site, available to provide necessary assistance to the affected passengers. Just help. Don't मुझको क्यों है छोड़ दो क्या ऐसे नहीं बोलना. Just as a humanitarian grounds, you must help the co-passengers traveling in the train also. Okay. Briefly, I will say first thing is in case of guard, LP, or JE or SSC, anybody. First thing is briefly give information. Giving information reduces the rescue time. Recently, आपको मालूम नहीं है SM का नंबर, guard का नंबर मालूम नहीं. There is a national emergency number called 112. There is a national emergency number called 112. If you press the 112 and dial it, police आता है, fire आता है, ambulance आता है, rescue service भी आता है. All these are available in the 112. 112 में क्या होता है? Police, fire, ambulance, and rescue services. These are available in this 112 number. Just give information. Next is save life. पहले आपका life save करना है. आपका life कैसे save करना है? Generally, many people died in the accidents because not of the fire. By inhaling the smoke, they will die by inhaling the smoke. At that time, एक काम करना है. सबके पास handkerchief होता है ना generally. Just take your handkerchiefs, dip it in water, squeeze it, cover your nostrils. This wet cloth does not allow to inhale the smoke inside. If you tie your dry cloth, smoke अंदर जाके मर जाता है. If you tie the wet cloth to your nostrils, nose और mouth के लिए wet cloth dry करे तो this wet cloth does not allow to inhale the smoke inside the nostrils, and you can save your lives. That is one method. Next is don't run, don't walk just bend your head and just crawl while you're trapped inside the coach. Because if you inhale smoke, smoke will come only 3 to 4 feet above the ground level. If you inhale the smoke, generally people will die because of unconsciousness. Generally. So don't inhale the smoke as far as possible, and don't run and don't be panic. Okay, isolate the coach. If you know isolate the coach, because the fire will spread from one coach to other coach. If you know the procedure how to isolate the coach, just do it. If you don't know, just help the LP or guard at the site. Put out the fire using fire extinguishers. Bring down pantograph if you know the procedure. Put off lights, fans from the terminals. Help the railway administration decide. That is the ART and MRV team at the site. These are the general things you can do at the during time of accident. Generally, accidents does not happen only in the sites. It may happen in the several places. Like घर में हो सकता है, शॉपिंग मॉल्स में हो सकता है, सिनेमा हॉल्स में से कहीं भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, घर में कैसे हो सकता है एक्सीडेंट्स, फायर एक्सीडेंट्स? घर में there are two chances. One is due to explosion of the gas cylinder. Second is any pan fires. किचन में कोई फायर लूज क्वालिटी ऑयल की यूज कर तो by accidentally it can be used. Any doubt? Any doubts? Any clarifications?
Sir,
Any doubts? Any clarifications?
sir, excuse me, sir.
Okay, बोलिए.
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है, ये पीपीटी थोड़ा सर हम लोगों को शेयर कर दीजिएगा.
बोलिए.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes, please.
सर ये जो स्लाइड्स है, स्लाइड्स थोड़ा हम लोगों को शेयर कर देनी है, हम लोगों को अच्छा रहेगा.
It's already shared. You can download it. It is already shared. Or otherwise, you give some email ID.
No, sorry. There is one WhatsApp group for this batch.
Okay, just add my number. Add my number in this group. I'll share in the group. My number is 9032. My number is 9032 653073. 9032 653073. Add in this group. I will share it in the group. Okay, after you can remove it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, one more thing Indian Railways have done is I am saying that about the kitchen fires. Kitchen fires में क्या होता है कि गैस सिलेंडर फायर्स होता है. जनरली गैस सिलेंडर में हमेशा गैस ऊपर ही आता है, नीचे नहीं आता. Don't think that पाइप में गैस. Please be silent. Silence please. Okay, thank you. गैस अंदर जाके सिलेंडर एक्सप्लोड होता. At the time of if any by mistake if there any gas leakage in the kitchen, just turn off the regulator. Silence please. Turn off the regulator and just cover the cylinder with the with wet gunny bag or wet blanket. Okay, because the cylinder will not explode by going the fire inside the cylinder, but it will explode surrounding the cylinder. If it gets hot, it will explode. Okay, this is one method. Second fire is the kitchen fire में utensil fire. As said earlier, just keep one lid on the utensil. If lid is not available, then take one cloth, dip it in the water, squeeze it, put on the utensil. This method is called smothering method, as I said earlier.
1 minute, excuse me, 1 minute. Gupta ji, ये सभी लोगों को
5 minutes. I'll take only 5 minutes, please. Last one. Please keep all of yourself. Only 5 minutes.
म्यूट कर.
Okay. In case I will ask you a general question. In case if any person have poured petrol or kerosene on them, lit themselves, that is a man on fire, then some precaution should be taken. That is that fire, that petrol, diesel or kerosene fire should be treated very precisely, because in that fires क्या होता है, that fire contains more of the liquid fires. In this case, if anybody pours petrol on them, just first thing is don't let them run and don't be in front of them. Don't let them run and don't be in front of them, because they'll come and hug you, because not intentionally, because of pain. Just if you have any blanket, just cover them. Stop them, drop them, roll on the ground. Stop, drop and roll on the ground. Okay? This is the general method. Any problem? Any problem, please? Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how the sprinkler system works, sir? Sprinkler system.
I will say, I will say. I will say. Some disturbance is there.
हमको बताना मेरे मोबाइल पर क्या बात
गुप्ता जी,
है, क्यों होता
गुप्ता जी, म्यूट
तुम लोग
करो
कहता है
लोगों
कि
को।
बोलते हैं फिर कुछ बात
Please mute, host, please mute all the,
Host, please mute all.
अच्छा अभी डेट पोजीशन
except
में है
mine, except mine, please mute all them. Please, except mine, please mute.
हाँ हम डेट में
Host, please, are you available? Okay, this sprinkler system is provided by the railways, where like just you are seeing the pipes in the AC cabin. This is the AC cabin. में pipes से डालता है, pipe डालता है. There will be one sensor here. There will be sensor here. Host, please mute all the students. Okay.
आज थोड़े हो गई वो
Okay. Okay.
तो भैया के पास छोटा तो
Okay. These pipes are laid in the coach. There will be sensor here. Immediately after a fire accident or smoke or heat, these pipes will open the water. These pipes contains water. Immediately after the fire accidents, they will open the water. They're just like sprinkling system. They're just like there will be small holes in these pipes. They will open the sprinkler. This is the sprinkler system. Okay, this is the one of the pilot project done by the Indian Railways. One more project is the automatic brake system. Automatic brake system. This is please host, please mute all the systems. Host, please mute all.
My public, my brother is saying this, don't hear it.
Please mute.
सर सभी लोग म्यूट हैं।
अभी साउंड आ रहा है कैसे? Okay, now okay. This is the one more system used by Indian Railways. It's automatic alarm system. This is the smoke detector used in the coach system. This smoke detector has direct interlocking with the brakes of the cabin. Immediately, if the smoke detector detects the fire, smoke, heat, anything, the train will be stopped automatically without the intervention of the loco pilot. The train will be stopped automatically. This is the one of the pilot project done in the Bhubaneswar New Delhi Rajdhani Express में किया, वो success हो गया. They are planning to do all in the Shatabdi and Rajdhani trains. This is one of the fire protection system, like automatic brake system. When there is a fire in the coaches, automatic brakes, train will stop automatically. This is successfully done in pilot basis in the Bhubaneswar New Delhi Rajdhani Express. Now they are planning to do in all coaches, all trains also. There are some steps taken by the railway board regarding to prevent the fire accidents in the trains. Okay, these are some of the things we have discussed about the fire in the trains and fire in the general case in the rooms.
GSM service module, sir. This GSM service module, what is this?
This is based on the GSM geosynchronous mode by CDMA GSM. This is the private one. There is a private manufacturer. And this is one of the smarter way to firefight in the coaches, especially in the trains. GSM service module. This is one of the manufacturer name. Okay. There are some systems used in the railways. Have you any questions now, please? Questions are welcome now. Any questions? Any general questions regarding fire, regarding extinguishers? Please now can you unmute your audios and you can ask questions. I will give you 5 minutes time. If there are no questions, just I will close the class now. Is it useful? Please respond. Is it useful?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any questions? If you can ask by adding my number in the group, you can ask freely. We can discuss in the group also. How to refill? Just refilling procedure is not our problem. Refilling is done by separate agencies taken by the stores department. They will do that refill procedure. You can ask that. You can chat also. You can just. Thank you very much. Thank you all. I think I have made some sense on this fire, because please be very careful about these fire accidents. And once again, I will send the PowerPoint to all of you in the group. I will share it. Once I can go to this PowerPoint. And if any questions, if any doubts, you can ask them in the group also. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
50